果你想擤鼻涕，千万不要靠近川普。
I'm also very much of a germaphobe.
但他到底有多怕？
But at some point, I hope they get it because it's a fantastic financial statement.
一听到咳嗽声，川普的脸马上垮了下来。
Let's do that over. He's coughing in the middle of my answer.
Yeah, okay.
I don't like that, you know?
Your chief of staff.
If you're going to cough, please leave the room.
就连川普前竞选阵营的员工也说曾被警告过他的禁忌。
Well, thou shalt not cough.
只不过清喉咙是人之常情，像是希拉蕊本身就很常在镜头前咳嗽，偶尔还会讨喉糖。
Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic.
但川普不只讨厌咳嗽声。
There I am traveling on the most famous plane in the world. My pants are down and I'm taking a shot of penicillin like I was in the second grade.
只是因为喉咙痛，幕僚就被迫挨了一针。但川普听到咳嗽声就发飙，或许是因为民调数字太难看，趁机迁怒。
You're fired.
民调人气垫底的川普，竟然直接把3名民调人员炒鱿鱼。
But even your own polls show you're behind right now, don't they?
No, my polls show that I'm winning everywhere.
无法接受民调外泄，川普还要竞选经理重塑一份，甚至还在推特批这些成员只会造假民调，蛮横作风，有失总统风范。三立新闻黄琼辉报道。